Why does it look like that? Do my hair. I'm gonna feel it.
Yep, that's me.
Hi everyone, this is Caitlin. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be doing this look. It's kind of inspired by Euphoria, and if you haven't seen any, these are some examples of like Euphoria inspired makeup. And also on the other half of this video,
I'll be trying the makeup look.
Let me know how you think I did, but it's okay. Like it's not bad. It was not a fail, but
It's okay.
And if you're new here, please check out my other videos, and we're just gonna get right into it.
We sketched out what we were planning to do.
To start off, I'm gonna put on some like glow tonic serum by like Pixi. It's from Target.
L is for the way you look at me.
I'm just gonna do like a simple eye look with like the Morphe palette. This is the 39A palette. So all products are going to be listed in the description bar. I think I kind of want to do like a little pink look. I used to have this palette from like Amazon that I really messed with, but I can't find it. But it was like a dupe for the peach palette by like, I think Too Faced. So I'm just going to basically use like these shades over here. I know I say this in like every video, but yeah.
Don't judge, my nails are kind of gross right now.
Because they I peel them off. And in the next video I'll post, they'll also be kind of gross. So
yeah.
I'm gonna start with this one right here. It's like the nude color.
O is for the only one.
I'm using like a fluffy brush.
V is very, very extraordinary.
Okay, going in with this type of brush. My brushes are from Amazon. The brushes on Amazon are kind of good, not gonna lie. They're really inexpensive and I'm kind of on a budget, so they're pretty good for like the price. I don't know how much about quality or like the material they use, but I've been using it for like 2 years and I'm alive, I'm good. So now we're gonna put in that orange shade right here. It's like an orange red shade. I'm gonna put that like right in the middle. Guys, I haven't done makeup in like a year.
She means like with brushes, like the glossier look I did, that's different. Like I be doing that, but I mean like with brushes and everything.
I'm gonna do it with like a flatter brush, and we're gonna go in with like this one right here, and we're kind of just gonna trace your eyelid to make like that shape. Do you see what I mean? Like,
can you say delicioso?
okay, I can promise you this is gonna look less bad at the end. We're gonna do the same to the other eye.
He is even more than anyone that you can adore. Whoa, whoa.
Why does it look like that?
I'm gonna blend this out with like the fluffy brush we used earlier.
A few moments later.
Now we're gonna go in with like, it's kind of like the jagged brush that's like boop, and we're gonna do like this fun glittery color and kind of like where a crease would be, or like where you want your crease to be, just kind of concentrate it there. Like I kind of drew a line almost. And then bring it down just a little bit to like the front part of your eyelids. And we're gonna go back with like that, like this brush, the flat one-ish.
Did it a little bad here.
I'm gonna take this solid color right here and we're gonna fill in the areas that we kind of drew under.
Maybe she's born with it.
Okay, and then go back in with like the jagged brush and do the cutting the crease thing again.
It's Maybelline.
And then go a little over.
Don't stay away for too long. Don't go to bed.
I'm gonna take like the lighter one here, using the same brush, and I'm gonna wing this out a little. You see how like I kind of have that here, and I don't really have it there because I messed up.
Now we're gonna go and fix it.
Get you up and going out of bed.
For like the under part of our eyes, we're gonna take like a pointy
Why did I wink?
ish brush And we're gonna go in with like the glittery shade that we used to cut the crease thing. Like as close as we can to the waterline and just like almost like finishing the eye. I have like the Glossier lid star, and this is the one in Moon. And we're gonna put it in our inner corners, and we're gonna highlight like the brow bone with it.
Getting loose, gotta blame it on the goose, gotta blame it on the juice.
I'm just gonna lightly line my eyes with Sephora Wink It Felt liner, and it's in brown. We're gonna put lashes on after the whole thing, so I'm gonna start doing like the pearls.
No, I'm not a snack at all. Look, baby, I'm the whole dang meal.
They already have adhesive, so it's like nice and easy.
The juice ain't worth the squeeze if the juice don't look like this. One eternity later.
I'm kind of feeling this. Whoa, whoa, yeah.
2 hours later.
Bruh. We're gonna use like this as like highlight down here.
And here all along, so why can't you see? So many pearls are falling along with me.
And now I'm gonna do my eyebrows. I'm gonna go put some pearls on my eyebrows.
She wears short skirts, I wear t-shirts. She's cheer captain at home on the fleet.
I'm gonna put on some lashes now. Actually, JK, I'm gonna do my lips. So I'm gonna use Whirl. I got this because of Kylie Jenner. And then we're gonna go over with like the Fenty gloss. Now we're gonna do lashes. These are from House of Lashes, and I've been using these in my videos. I have this thing where like if I buy a product from somewhere, I kind of want to buy like the whole set from there, so like their glue and everything. I don't know if that makes sense. Kind of like if I use like, let's say like this lipstick from MAC, like the Whirl one that I just put on, I'll buy like the lip liner from that brand too, because I feel like they're meant to be paired together. Please don't fall.
It is okay. Yeah, I think this is a nice look if we were just like going to the grocery store. Oh, I remember you driving to my house in the middle of the night.
This is the final look.
I'm the one who makes you laugh when you know you're about to cry.
Beep.
I know you're scared.
Okay, we're also gonna be painting. So I'm making a TikTok. This is the weirdest thing. I made like a cutie with like face on it, and I brought it to Amherst for like my vlog, and then I made like TikToks using like clips from like us driving there. So I'm gonna do the same when I like do this. So I'm doing this technique where you take a pencil and cover the other back side of the printed drawing so you can do like an imprint. Do this technique, you have to make sure to like fill in like little holes, so the darker and like more fully you do this, the easier it is to trace yourself or like whatever you're drawing onto like the canvas. And you're just gonna tape this on here, and then you trace with like a pen so like you can see where like you were. So my photo's nice and taped down. Now I'm tracing my drawing onto the canvas. So I didn't do it dark enough, so I went back in and like I kind of just drew onto it, and that's what it looks like. And then I started painting, and we drew in eyes with the marker.
And did a background.
And then we started gluing in the same like pearls. And yes, I'm using the ones that were on my face because we
want to reuse, reduce, recycle.
And I live by that. So we started doing that, and I burned my fingers a few times because the hot glue was hot, and you can see there's one caught in my hair somewhere in one of the scenes. But yeah, we did that.
Again, this is the final painting. Let me know what you guys think.
Beep. So I also posted some pictures with this makeup look on Instagram, so check me out on there. I also made a few TikToks on TikTok with this makeup look, so also follow me on there as well. And thank you, everyone. Beep. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. This was really fun to make. I was super excited for this. These are starting to fall off. And if you like the video, please like it and subscribe if you want to. And I have my social medias down linked below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Beep. Now I'm like removing it. I just picked up so many pearls on the floor. I put them in my hair. Put them in my phone case. It's another two.
Beep.